Assalamualaikum and hi everyone.
I'm Husna.
I'm Vivi.
I'm Nisha.
I'm Sirna.
I'm Shah.
And
We are Semente Changer Team.
Let's listen to this conversation to find out our school problem.
Hey, do you know any spot that you can read this book while waiting for others?
How about No. The solar environment is gloomy and not comfortable.
Really? How about we make something?
Do you have anything on your mind?
How about we launch a solution box so that others can give their other too?
Sure, let's do it.
Before we do the transformation, we need to have a sponsorship. So, we do a paperwork and present it to our principal. As a result, she approved it, and luckily, our school interested in sponsoring us. So, what we will do is, we will pin the musalla and its corridor, then change the carpet and provide a bookshelf. Last but not least, we will transform the wudu room.
So, with the great teamwork that everyone gave, this project finished earlier.
We also create an Instagram account for our musalla. In this account, we often share about Islam and activities that are organized by musalla management team.
So thank you, Semente Changer Team, solve our school musalla problem. Thank you.
Yes! We should talk